My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy JP. We're doing another video. Today we're gonna focus on what we're gonna do with the car, with the 370Z Zoey. So excited. Hope you're excited. But guys, we're gonna go faster now. We're gonna go much faster. We got stuff here. I'm gonna tell you about this thing right here. This came from where the muffler was, so they had to take this off because the damn thing was humongous. So I'm gonna do some modification and try to see if I can make it work. If not, I'll probably just sell it. So if anybody interested, let me know. But I might keep it. I don't know. I'm gonna check it out. All right, guys, I got some stuff here. I'm gonna put it on the table. We'll talk about it. So hold on. All right, guys. Like I said before, we're here to make Zoey go fast. All right. So I got a couple more modifications I'm gonna do to the car, and I'm gonna show you what it is. So I hope you're excited like I am excited. I'm definitely excited. So let's get to it. All right, what we got here in this first package in the box. What's in the box? Let's take this stuff out. I already saw what it is. I just wanted to make sure it was good. Put all this paper over there. And we got here a ported Plenum. Let's put it over here. 1 second, guys. Here you go, baby. From Z1, got the ported Plenum. This bad boy is gonna be installed today. And before I show you what else is in that box, I want to show you what's in this box. Make friends. Bear with me. I know I suck at this. Oh my god, I suck. Sorry, guys. I should have just had it all out, but no. All right, package off. Let's go. Lower intake manifold, ported by Z1. So I got the lower, upper. What else do we have, ladies and gentlemen? What is this little package here? What is this? It's a fuel pump. Fuel pump. What is this? Kit for the fuel pump. What is this? Just screws. All right. I got one more thing over here. Since I got fuel pump here, what does that mean to you guys? Well, it's only one thing. Your buddy is going E85. Thank you very much. So, like, we're going E85. I had to get upgraded fuel injectors. Bad boy. And sorry, we're gonna change these spark plugs. My car is about to hit 50,000 miles, and I know somebody told me that you could go up to 100,000 miles, but since I'm doing all this wonderful stuff, might as well put new plugs. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? You know, we're gonna get this all installed. We're gonna do it today, and well, today's Saturday. And Monday, I will go head out to get my car tuned. And we're gonna see how this car runs. Car runs fast as it is, because I already, you know what? Let's go to my car. Let's check out my car. Wanna go to my car? Who wants to see Zoey? You guys wanna see Zoey? I wanna see Zoey. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we're back outside, and we're here with Zoey. Guys, Zoey. So, I'm going to show you what mods I've done to the car, just in case you're new to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Only if you like this video, all right? I don't want to force anybody to subscribe to me. You into car, you into 370Zs, into tracks, you know, mods. So, Zoey here, as beautiful she is right here, you know, you guys didn't know, She's a Japanese muscle car. Japanese for Japanese. And let me pop this hood right here. Pop this hood right here. Zoey, can I pop your hood? Please? Please? This is one time, alright guys? Alright. So like we're back. So far modification I've done to Zoey is my Z1 intakes. That's the first thing I got. I do have test pipes. My last video, you know, I have a whole graded exhaust system. Come to the back. Check out the back. See how I'm missing that diffuser part right here? The way it is. I might have to do some adjustments, maybe fix that. So those are the only mods that I've done besides getting a tune, of course. We have all this done, get a tune. So 3 things. I got the intakes, test pipes, and a full exhaust system. Performance wise, am I forgetting anything? No. Performance wise, nope. And a tune. That's it. I really don't know how much power I'm pulling because it was a street tune that I done, not a dyno tune. So what's gonna happen today? I'm gonna get the Plenum replaced, the lower intake, the injectors, changing the spark plugs, and changing the fuel pump. So that's all gonna be done today. It's not gonna be filmed. Sorry guys. Or maybe I will. Maybe I won't. Nah, I probably will. Just here, just show like little clips here and there. But definitely Monday I gotta go take this car to get it tuned and see, you know, if I feel the difference. I am definitely gonna take it to dyno soon. But for now, I'm gonna get another street tuned. That's the only mods I got for the car performance wise. I was planning to do, not now, but change the headers. But I don't even know if it's worth it or not. What do you guys think? Let me know. Is changing the headers worth it? Right. I was thinking of going with long tube headers or maybe just shorties because I already got the test pipes and just do some shorties. Either from Z1 or Megan Racing. I know somebody who has a G35 who has Megan Racing, and he told me it was fine. It was, you know, they were good, but I don't know. So what you guys tell me? People that own 370Zs or have done shorties or long tube headers, let me know which one you recommend, or do you think it's a waste of money? Let me know, you know. So that's my baby Zoey. So anyways, get back to you in 1 second. Hey guys, sorry I'm showing you some still image. I don't know if Alex was comfortable with me filming, so I didn't even bother to ask him. So I'm just gonna tell you what's going on here. He started taking out stuff from the car. You can see the brace was taken off. He took the top plenum off, and right here shows we got to the lower intake manifold, and this is a better view of the car, how it looks so far. So you see here the lower intake manifold was taken off, covered up the opening to make sure no debris will get inside. The injectors are out, the originals. Put back the new Z1 intake manifold and put the new injectors, Bosch injectors. Look at that. That's the lower intake manifold. That thing is dirty as hell. Got the injectors done. Got the Bosch injectors. The new lower intake. Looking beautiful. Clean. Say hello to the old injectors. Actually, say goodbye. Say goodbye to that. Say hello to the new. Goodbye. Hello. Guys. We got into a little boo-boo right here. I'm sorry. Oop, out of focus. Right here, there's I guess a little plastic here that goes there. kind of like broke off. So when Alex put this back, the fuel was coming out, and it's because of the plastic broke. So he's right now at Advanced Auto or wherever, trying to get that piece. And hopefully we can get that piece so we could go back and finishing this. Well, not me, but him. He the one who knows about this stuff. And yeah. So that's the update right now. Got the new lower intake manifold already installed. We're doing also a coolant delete. That's something that was added because what I found out is there's coolant that's going to the throttle bodies to keep them warm, but since I live in South Florida, we don't need that crap. So we're doing a delete from that too as well, and he's getting some parts from Advanced Auto also for that. And that's about it. That's all she wrote. So we got the new injectors put on, lower intake is already installed. We're gonna do soon the change the plugs. We're gonna put the new Plenum as soon as he comes back. It's a new one. That's the old one. And the last thing we'll do is do the fuel pump, and we'll be set. And Monday get it tuned. It's the next day. I know I can never finish a video in one day, but it was getting kind of late, and yeah, it was getting too dark, so I don't want to film in the dark. So just to give you an update of what happened. Well, we check here. We got the Z1 Plenum on top, as you know. We got the lower intake manifold done. We did the injectors. We did the spark plugs. Yeah, we also did the coolant delete from the throttle bodies. Where is it? So we did that. That's done. So yeah, it was getting late, so we couldn't do the fuel pump. And the reason why we couldn't do the fuel pump was, well, one, it was late, and the second thing was, now that I move my seat forward to get to the fuel pump, it's over here. It's in here. So he took out this part off and all that good stuff. Now the thing was that the bitch is that we had to take this whole panel off. We had to take the center console, the centerpiece right here off in order to remove this stuff out. It's not like we could just pull it and all that stuff. So it was gonna be a lot of work, and it was dark already, so he wasn't able to do it. So we just left it as that. I'm just gonna take it tomorrow to where I'm gonna get a dyno. I'm gonna have him change the fuel pump, and then that's it. We're set. I just want to give a big shout out to Alex. Alex is the guy. I'll put his link on Instagram. Follow him. Cool dude. He mostly did all the work. I just watched and learned from him, and I just want to give a big shout out to you, Alex. You're watching this. Thank you, man. You helped a lot. And that's about it, guys. See, Zoey. So just tomorrow, take it to my tuner and get it tuned, and we'll be golden. We'll be E85 people. All right. So I'm happy, and guys gotta watch the next video. So I have to let you go now. All right. So just make sure, if you guys new to the channels, please subscribe, like, and comment. Put something. I don't know, whatever. Say cool video or whatever you want to put. All right. So anyway, catch you on the next video. Peace.